Now I want to present a machine by AlexanderSolia, the Cutty G5. The Cutty G5 cuts faster and more accurately than any professional cook. It is absolutely unbreakable since all parts are stainless steel. In times of shortage of skilled workers, the Cutty G5 is especially economical. It already pays off if you make 30 meals or more per day. But enough talk. To show you how fast and precise working with the Cutty really is, we're making an exotic potato salad. We'll just need some fruit and blue cooked potatoes. And honestly, what other machine is really able to cut cooked potatoes, except for the Cutty G5? Easily done with this crescent blade.
Das setzen wir einfach ein.
I'm locking the crescent blade disc in place, securing the lid, turning it on, and we are ready to start. Isn't it great? This is how a perfectly cut potato has to look. For me, the advantages of the Cutty G5 is having space for a GN container. And I can remove the lid to put it into the dishwasher. The biggest advantage for me is the adjustable speed regulation. And even fully loaded, it's still working quietly enough for me to be able to talk with my colleagues. Even in the most stressful times in the kitchen, you're on the safe side with the Cutty, thanks to the automatic switch-off. You can also conveniently and safely store the cutting discs with this disc rack. But guys, the best thing for me is the XXL chute. I can fit a lot in there. Of course, all the detachable parts of the Cutty are dishwasher-proof, since everything is 100% stainless steel. But honestly, I'd never put any knives in the dishwasher, since this makes the blades dull. But it's no problem either if your dicer suddenly looks like this. Just put it into the steamer for 15 minutes and use the sprayer on it afterwards. The dicer will look as good as new. And our exotic potato salad is already done. Thanks to the Cutty G5, I have a lot more time now for creative stuff in the kitchen. I wouldn't want to miss the Cutty G5 in my kitchen. Bon appétit! Have fun cooking it yourself.